Welcome back, guys. We're back on the i30N again. As you saw in the last video, we did the side skirts. We're going to be doing the splitter today. So you know what that means. We're going to remove the front bumper off the car and drill through the bottom of it. So first things first, we're going to take the bumper off. We need to pop the bonnet. There's only 2 actual screws you've got to undo, whereas the rest are just like these little pop-out clips that you would have seen on the diffuser install. But I'll show you them again. So yeah, first things first, we're going to pop all of them out the bonnet. Wheel arches, other wheel arch, and then underneath. So let's get around to the first step. So as you can see, we had to remove all of these clips from the top of the bumper. There's about 6 or 7 of them, 5 of them. But yeah, we had to pop them out with a flathead, and then there's some more on the bottom which I'll show you now, and I'll show you how to remove them. But yeah, you just literally use a little flathead. There is a proper tool that you can get for them, but flathead works just as good. So let's go underneath the car and do that. So then people, as you can see, it's pretty tight under here, but there's one of the holes that I've removed the clips from. And these are the clips, just here. So if you just get a flathead in there, and then there we are, comes straight out. As you can see, it's a nice little pop out clip. And then there's about 6 or 7 of them underneath here, so you're gonna remove all of them, and it's all the ones that like are just on the very front of the engine cover on the bottom. So just pop all them out, and then the bumper will be nice and loose from underneath, and then we can get in the wheel arches and remove them. So as you can see, some more of these little pop-out clips, 3 on the mud flap, well, the wheel arch. So 1 there that I've already popped out, 2, 3, and then we've got a little Phillips little screw up there connecting the bumper to the wing. So yeah, we'll just pop these out now and get on to the other side. So as you can see, there's a little Phillips huge screw that's just connecting the bumper to the wing under there, nice and easy. So just get unscrewing that now, and then we'll move on to the other side. So as you can see, guys, we've got the clips out of here as well. You just have to pull it back a little bit, get your flathead in there in this little gap, and you can just feel for the little clips that hold it on. Just pop them off, and yeah, as you can see, it's all come away down this side. So just going to repeat the same process on this side and remove all the little plastic clips. So as you can see, we've put the splitter on top now. We've put 1 bolt in each side on the ends, and we're just going to drill the rest of them now. So just get a quick video of me drilling all the holes, screwing it on, and we'll whack it back on. So as you can see, guys, we're just tightening up all the bolts now. Making it nice and easy for ourselves for once. But yeah, it's all tightened all the way along. Just got these end ones to do, so nice and quick. And we'll get the bumper back on. So as you can see, guys, the splitter's on. Show you a full reveal when we've put the bumper back on. But as you can see, we've just connected up this electrical connector and the other one, which I think is for the washer sprayers or whatever. And then tons on this side. So yeah, we'll just get this all screwed back on into place, and then show you the end result when it's back on. So then people, as you can see, the splitter is now on, looking super nice. Just reverse it out for you so you can get a full view of it outside. But yeah, it's on, looking mean. A few more little touches to go on this car, just a bit of blacking out on the front end, maybe a stripe, and then she'll be done. So we'll just get it outside for you now, give you a little show of it. So then people, as you can see, it's looking a lot cooler. Now we've got the splitter on. In the day, well in the light it looks a lot better outside. So yeah, now you've got the full MAXTON kit on all the way around. Looking super hard. So yeah, catch you in the next one. We're going to be doing some little blackout features on the front end, probably the indicators, the grille, and then just them fog lights down there. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. School's Garage. Like and subscribe.